I'm finally making a blog. It's gonna be pieced together, playing in the rain blog. Playing in the rain. So happy. I got my work study job. Getting sun. I'm wet. Woo!
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. There's some more.
My friend wants to watch some more.
I told Joe I wished it would rain here because it was raining where he lived. And look, now it's raining. And Katie's wet. And so am I. And I got my library job.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Oh. Here. Have at it. I don't care if it gets wet. It'll just dry out. Look, everybody, she's playing in the rain with me. Playing in the rain, all wet. Going to go visit my Joe on the 19th. Okay, let's see. Are you getting yourself all soaked? Is it working? I don't think it's working. Look, you're still wet. You're still wet everywhere but there, in the back of your leg. And it's just dry in the back of the rain. It is about to stop or slowing down. It's going to take a long time getting the pants wet this way. It might work better if you were to roll around.
Oh, good, yeah.
Of course you're going to get muddy as well. Hey Becky, look where Katie's at, playing in the rain in Sharon's yard. Bye now.